Hello, welcome back to another episode of Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom. Happy New Year to all of my followers and subscribers. If you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing. Just hit the button down below, don't forget to ring the bell to receive notifications. Today on Barbecue Life, we're going to be cooking lemon pepper chicken wings. So first of all, we're going to take the chicken wings and I want to separate the winglet from the drumie. So if you don't know how to do that, I'm just going to cut down through the skin with a sharp knife towards the joint. Give the joint a little pop. Take a big sharp knife and right at the joint, where that joint is popped, just cut straight through the middle. You've got a nice clean drumstick and a clean winglet. I'm just going to take these wing tips off as well. So again, just a little cut, expose that joint, take a bigger knife right on that joint and just cut straight through. I'm just going to do that with the rest of them. The most important thing to think about when cooking chicken wings is to make sure that they are dry before you put any sort of seasoning or rub, whatever it is you want to do. And this helps the skin really crisp up when cooking. So all I do is I just take it and I'll roll it off on some kitchen towel just to take the moisture out. You know when they're dry because they're more sticky, they start to stick to the towel more. Into a pestle and mortar, we're just going to add a teaspoon and a half of lemon salt, a zest of half a lemon on top of that, and then cracked black pepper, about a teaspoon. And I'm just going to give that a little mix together, get some of this salt a bit smaller. I've also added half a teaspoon of smoked paprika and a teaspoon of sage to the mixture. And we're just going to get these finished chicken wings. So we've let these chicken wings sit out in the air while we were making our rub. Just to dry out a bit more, I'm just going to sprinkle our rub on the top. A good patting. Turn them over. And the same again. And make sure you get all sides. We're using a chimney of lump wood. I'm just going to get started by starting just 2 little wax woodies. We'll just place the chimney on the top. We're using lump because we need a hot cook today. So our coals are starting to turn white as our chimney starts, so it's time to pour them out. And keep them over one side of the barbecue so that we can cook these chicken wings indirect. placed all the grates on so they can heat up so our chicken wings don't stick. I'm just going to shut the lid and let the temperature stabilise. So we're sitting steady about 350F, which is just under 180C. I'm going to get these wings on now. Before I get them on, I'm just going to drop a chunk of silver birch in over the coals so we can get a bit of smoke. As I said before, we're going to cook these indirect, which means they're not cooked directly over the coals. We're using the barbecue like an oven with the smoky flavour. Got all these wings on, just going to shut the lid and we're going to leave them for 25 minutes and come back and check. Now I can leave that and have a look. They're looking nice. We're going to turn all these over now and then I'm going to swap the grates over so that the ones on the outside are swapped with the ones on the inside. So we can have even cooking. And skins lined up this up nicely, looking very nice. It's been another 25 minutes since we swapped them over. Just put my temperature probe out and as you can see we're at 78, so these are cooked. We're just going to put them onto a plate to rest for a little while. So I'm not going to lie, I did lose a bit of temperature halfway through. I wanted to keep these quite hot, so I did top it up with charcoal just after moving from one side to the other. And these look really good. I'm just going to give them a taste. It's beautiful. The skin's not rubbery, it's a nice bite through. That's worked really well. I made these for my colleagues at work as a Christmas present. I just hope they enjoy them. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing to my channel. I plan on putting videos out every 2 weeks, generally on a Tuesday. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, bye bye.